Hello friends, welcome to yet another fascinating session of Wisdom Zone. This is Shubro, and friends, in today's video I am gonna give you some advanced English vocabulary and I'm gonna show you how to use this advanced English vocabulary and replace the word very. So it is my earnest request to all of you, please watch this video to learn all the advanced English vocabulary. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Friends, welcome back once again to this fascinating video on advanced English vocabulary to replace very. And as I have promised, in today's video you're gonna get some advanced English vocabulary and you can use all these words and replace the word very and speak confidently. So before I go ahead, let me quickly inform all of you that I have provided some more videos on advanced English vocabulary in the description. If you still haven't checked those videos, please do not forget to check the links given in the description. So without further ado, let's get started with today's advanced English vocabulary. So friends, the first advanced English vocabulary I'm going to discuss to replace very is on your screen, that is placid. So we can use placid, it's an adjective, to replace very calm and peaceful. So placid means very calm and peaceful, so we can next time say placid instead of very calm and peaceful. So as you see the example, a placid hill station. I'm quite sure it's clear. Up next we will dive into the second word that is going to help you to replace very wet. So instead of very wet, you can use the word soggy. Let me repeat once again, soggy. Again, it's an adjective, so don't use the term very wet again and again. You can use the word soggy. As you see the example, a soggy field. Up next we will dive into the next word, that is, as you see on your screen, we can replace very dry, which we often use, and we can use the term arid. So let me repeat the word once again, it's arid, and you can use arid, it's an adjective, and you can replace very dry. In place of very dry, you can use the word arid. So as you see the example, an arid land. Up next we will dive into the next one, that is very tasty. So instead of very tasty, you can use scrumptious. And also you can use appetizing. So you have two options, scrumptious and appetizing. So let me repeat once again, it's scrumptious or you can use appetizing. So as you see the example, scrumptious dessert. Dessert means sweet course, and let me tell you, scrumptious is also an adjective. Up next we will dive into the next word going to help you to replace very sad, and it is gloomy. Let me repeat once again, instead of very sad, you can use the term gloomy. Obviously it's an adjective. As you see the example, a gloomy widow, that means a very sad looking widow. I'm quite sure it's clear. Up next we will dive into the next one. So the next word to replace very friendly is amiable. Let me repeat once again, we can use amiable, which is an adjective, to replace very friendly. As you see the example, an amiable doctor, that means a very friendly doctor. We can also use amicable or affable also. These are other options. Up next we will dive into the next one, that is very unfriendly. Just the opposite of previous one. We earlier discussed amiable, which we can use in place of very friendly, and here we will discuss the word which we can use to replace very unfriendly. So instead of very unfriendly, you can use the term frigid. Let me repeat once again, we can use the word frigid instead of very unfriendly, which is also an adjective. As you see the example, a frigid neighbor, that means a very unfriendly neighbor. I'm quite sure it's clear. Up next we will dive into the last advanced word which is going to help us to replace very unlucky or unfortunate, that is hapless. Let me repeat once again, it's hapless, not hopeless, it's hapless. Hapless is an adjective, it means very unlucky or unfortunate. So as you see the example, a hapless orphan. So I'm quite sure it's clear. So friends, today you got some extremely advanced English vocabulary, and you can use all these advanced English vocabulary and replace the word very, and do not use the word very again and again. Instead you can use all these advanced words to sound quite dynamic and proficient. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So stay tuned for further informative videos, friends, and please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Wisdom Zone.